What up world, this your homeboy Wordplay TJ, and I'm back with another video for you. This time around, I'm gonna show you how to use SubmitHub.com to submit to bloggers. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now I am using SubmitHub.com. This is not the first time I've used this, but this is the first time in a long time. They've made a lot of changes, so we can go through this interface and figure out just how to use it together. So this is both experimental and a tutorial at the same time. So I'm going to show you the ins and outs of SubmitHub. Okay, so here I am on SubmitHub. I've already logged in. I got 2 credits. Not sure where that came from. And I just want to start off by getting more credits. So I think they have different tiers. So you can get 5 credits for $6, 10 credits for $10, 30 credits for $27, and 100 credits for $80. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get 30 credits and do that. Okay, so I got my 30 credits. So if I pick a bunch of blogs or YouTubers or people that put out content, if I pick 30 of them that are 1 credit, I'm assuming that I will get a bunch of submissions. So if you're not familiar with SubmitHub.com, basically SubmitHub is a website where you can find curators that like to share music. And in SubmitHub, it was designed for people to actually take a listen to your work, give you feedback on it, and if they didn't do that, you would get your credits back. It's a tool that's really a time saver and a benefit to music creators all over the place. And it's really great for curators too, because they don't have to wade through emails and have a bunch of different submissions. What I think is great about it is that I used to do all of this by hand. So I would send out 30 or 40 emails to different people every time I released something, and it was just a pain. I would either not get a response or get a response and get a posting, and it just was kind of extremely hit or miss, and I was wasting my time. And I feel like using this service, you kind of get some of that time back, or at least you get your money's worth when you're paying for this type of service. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to send out a single to a bunch of blogs and maybe YouTube curators. So I might do half and half. So 15 blogs and then 15 kind of music playlist on YouTube. So what I did is just clicked on blogs and labels, and I'm just really curious about filtering this and looking through. Right now I have blogs and channels selected, and I also have hip hop and R&B. You can change this to a bunch of different genres, but in urban R&B, they have hip hop, conscious hip hop, and that tends to be alongside my lane. So I want to do everything for 1 credit. Let's see, really good bloggers. Yeah, I think I want to filter that out, and showing 35 that match your filter. Cool. And I want to do YouTube channels too. So I want to do blogs and I want to do YouTube channels. You can do radio stations, you can do playlists for Spotify, you can do streamers that do Twitch and stuff, and then you can do SoundCloud channels as well. I'm gonna do premium and standard credits, I guess. I have 30 premium credits, so that's cool, and a couple standard credits. So yeah, I'll use those standard ones. Okay, so let's just look at what we got. This is the list A to Z. APATE, I believe this is what it's called. I think I've had a song listed on this place once. They have 3,500 fans. They've received a ton of submissions. They get a 98% response rate, and they approve about 10% of what they see. Their reach, though, is kind of low. They have some requirements: include a SoundCloud link. We do not feature plain instrumentals or mixes. Okay, so after a long ass time of searching through a bunch of blogs and YouTube channels and SoundCloud channels and radio stations as well, I've determined that looks like the blogs are kind of my best bet. Outside of I guess SoundCloud channels, they may be okay, but YouTube channels were sort of the worst of them all, and radio stations are kind of iffy, hit or miss. So I think I'm gonna take my shot on just submitting to a bunch of blogs and see what happens there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit a song. Want a 10% discount on premium credits. Oh, I wish I'd known this before. Save. You save 10. I've already bought credits, so sucks for me. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna use a Spotify link. Great, that link should work. You can also upload an MP3 version. We need an MP3 copy of the song. Okay, so I got my track in here, got my uploaded MP3 in here. Also have a link to SoundCloud, so we'll see what happens. Says your song can reach 100% of SubmitHub's curators, so add more streaming links to increase that number. Can't increase 100%, so I think I'm good. Is this track released? Yes, it is. When was your track released? Like a month ago. All right, so that is it. That is how you use SubmitHub.com to get your music out to bloggers, YouTubers, SoundCloud, Spotify playlists, and all those other things. Basically, anybody that curates music. So go over to SubmitHub.com, try it out for yourself, and let me know what your experience is down in the comments section below. And until next time, it's your homeboy Wordplay TJ. Peace. All right, so I know you came to watch this channel just to see this video, just to get this problem solved. What I do urge you to do is subscribe to this channel right over there. And then there's more videos on this page right now.